Lift up the door switch of the infusion pump and open the door, then open the empty bottle clamp. Install the infusion tube in the infusion tube track. Arrange the infusion tube to make it cling to the infusion tube panel. Close the door and the infusion tube is installed. Press the power switch to turn on the device. After the system self-test, it will enter into the brand selection interface of the infusion pump. We have 5 built-in brands and 3 user-defined brands, and after choosing a brand, we enter the main interface. Press the menu to enter the mode setting interface. ME660 provides a total of 10 modes, and select the desired mode and set the corresponding parameters. When all the parameters are set, press the bolus purge key. Enter the auto purge bolus settings. Choose the start item to expel the air in the tube until the liquid flows out from the tip of the infusion tube. When the air in the infusion tube is exhausted, it will automatically return to the pause infusion state. Click the Start button again to start the normal infusion process. During the infusion process, we can adjust the infusion speed in real time. At the same time, when we press the bolus button, we'll enter into the bolus settings, which can adjust the values of rapid infusion. When the set value is completed, it will automatically return to the preset value to continue the infusion. Next is a brief introduction to the menu. The first item is the cumulative amount, which includes clearing the current infusion cumulation, 24 hours cumulative infusion cumulation monitoring, custom time cumulative infusion cumulation monitoring, and today's cumulative infusion cumulation monitoring at each time point. Next is the alarm setting, in which we can set the pressure level to meet the clinical needs of different patients for occlusion pressure during infusion. When the alarm range is exceeded, the occlusion alarm will be triggered. During the infusion process, when the volume of a single bubble is detected to reach the set value, the bubble alarm will be triggered. During the infusion process, if the accumulated volume of bubbles within 15 minutes reaches the alarm range, the accumulated bubble alarm will be triggered. The last item is the accumulated bubble volume switch. In the parameter settings, we can adjust the KVO speed. By default, it enters the KVO mode after the infusion and lasts up to 30 minutes. Others include the KVO switch and EBIS settings. The higher the empty bottle alarm sensitivity setting, the shorter the alarm trigger time. The lower the sensitivity setting, the longer it takes to trigger the alarm. In the system setup, you can adjust the screen brightness, volume, button backlight, night mode, system time, and other settings. Fill in patient information in the patient information setting menu. In the log, you can check and record some historical information during the operation of the pump, and at least 2,000 log records can be stored. Enter the password 5188 to enter the user maintenance. In the user maintenance interface, we can set the language, unit setting, manual purge bolus volume setting, function parameter switch, and select the switch of each mode in